Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and setting up my brand new 2020 iMac computer. Yeah, I ordered this in the beginning of October. It is the end of October. So I've been waiting a month for this and I'm so excited that it's finally here. Before I get into this, I just want to say, in case anybody watches this who is old enough to be my dad or not a teenage girl, please do not drag me in the comments. Please do not bully me if I don't know what I'm talking about, because you know what, you're right, I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't know anything about computers. My current computer from 2012, my MacBook Air from 2012 is what I've been using. I got it on eBay for 200 bucks. They said it had 4 owners before me. So I'm really not a tech person. If you are, cool, but I'm not. So I'm just gonna talk about what I do know. I'm gonna unbox it. I'm gonna set it up, and that's gonna be the video. So if you're interested in seeing that, keep watching. It's right here. I actually already set it up, but I forgot to film an intro. So I'm gonna talk about the the kind I got. So I got the 21.5 inch iMac. It is the one that is a little bit smaller than the 27 inch. Obviously it's the smaller one. I didn't even know they made a smaller one, so when I found that out I was very excited. I've been wanting this for all year basically. I run 2 businesses from home and I've been doing all of that on this little horrible MacBook Air, so it was time for a computer, like a real grown-up adult girl computer, you know what I mean? So anyway, it's the 2020 version, right? How do I know if it's the 2020 version? I got it in 2020, so I was editing and I was looking at some of the stats on my computer to put them into the video, and I went to About My Mac and I noticed that this actually is the 2017 model. I had no idea that there was not a 2019 or even 2020 version of the 21.5 inch non-retina display. I called Apple because I was freaking out, and 2 different support people were like, we have no idea what's wrong, I've never heard of that. And they told me that the base model on their website, the one there's 3 of them, the first one, as of right now, October 2020, they don't have an upgraded version. It's just from 2017. So it's not 2020. I keep saying 2020 in this video because I really had no idea. I wanted to say that because I feel like that's important. So if you're buying the base model in 2020, you're getting a 2017 one. So I'd recommend maybe looking elsewhere than buying it on the Apple website because you will save money. Currently on Amazon, there's a 2019 Retina 4K version for under $1,000, which is really not fair, but there you go. Don't buy the base model from the Apple website. Unless you want a brand new model and you want to pay for a brand new model, that's fine, but I would recommend going elsewhere. That's all. Just wanted to throw that in there because I think it's really important. So back to the video. 2.3 gigahertz dual core 7th generation Intel Core i5 processor. I will put all that here. Pretty sure that's what they all have. I did upgrade the RAM to 16 gigabytes. However, I found out after I ordered this that it is pretty easy to upgrade the RAM yourself, but it still costs a pretty good chunk of money to upgrade the RAM, so it's okay. I mean, I could have saved a couple dollars, but I am paying monthly on this, so we're all good there. And I did go with the 256 SSD storage instead of the turbo. It's not turbo. Oh my god, what is it? Fusion drive. I did not get the Fusion drive. I feel like it's very 50-50. Some people say you have to get the Fusion drive and it's like the future and like that's what you need. And then other people are like, Fusion drive's a scam, like you're gonna lose all your stuff. So I just went with the SSD because I feel like it's been around, like I'll probably be fine, you know? I don't know. Maybe I messed up there, but I really found so much contradicting information that I ended up just going with the SSD. I did order the trackpad instead of the mouse. I do have a mouse that is just like wireless, which I ended up connecting to my computer. I'll show you that. And that works for whenever I need to edit videos because it's hard to use the trackpad to edit videos, I found. I guess I'm not sure if this really matters because it's pretty easy to find this, but I paid $1,349, but I'm doing it in monthly installments because your girl has to pay taxes in a couple months. So didn't want to dip into the savings too much, so I am doing it in monthly, which is $112.41 a month. If you're interested in the base model with upgraded RAM and the trackpad. I am so excited. I'm gonna go show you my setup because I did set it up already, like I said, and I've been using it ever since yesterday, technically. And I have already edited a video on it. I've already done a lot of office work on it. So far I am loving it. So I'm gonna show you. We're gonna get into my unboxing, setup, and then I will show you what my current setup is now that everything's put together. Yeah, let's get into that part, which was filmed yesterday when I was half asleep. So let's go. Sorry if you can hear my air conditioning, it's right there, so it is pretty loud, but it should be off in a minute. I did want to show kind of the aftermath of me unboxing now that it's been set up since, you know, it's been set up for 24 hours now. I did want to show you what I decided on doing. So I realized that this works better if you put it in the front, kind of how a MacBook is set up. This mouse I've had forever. I got it on Amazon a long time ago. It has like a little USB plug that I just stuck in the back of the computer, and trying to show this. It works. You can also use the trackpad, so I can use both. Highly recommend that. If I can find the exact one, I'll link it below. If not, I'll link a similar one. So I recommend getting a mouse for editing videos if you do that, because it was pretty hard to do it just on the trackpad. But otherwise, we're doing good so far. I'll definitely have to, you know, make this setup a bit nicer. Over there is where I work on jewelry, so yeah, I'm really liking it so far. So that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed. Once again, I'm sorry if I got something wrong or it was not a very aesthetically pleasing unboxing. I know some people are pretty picky about that, but hopefully this was realistic for most people who just like want to know what it's like, you know, just like normal people who don't buy Apple products all the time, don't ever buy Apple products. I am gonna keep my MacBook Air just for like everyday use, although it does sound like it's gonna blow up even if I'm on Google, so probably should get that checked out. But I am gonna keep it just for travel and stuff. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next video, which will definitely not be about computers. So if that's what you're into, this is not the place. It's not the place. But thanks for watching anyway, and yeah, see you in my next video, or not. If not, wear a mask, be safe, be a nice person. Goodbye.